Hello everyone. First of all, today I choose one topic. What is a scenario in fire service in UP district in Maharajganj, which area is a fire station, how many fire station, and how is a scenario. Everything in just only 5 minutes. I give an explanation. First of all, and before 6 months ago, I went to go in my home. Then I decide कि I went to go in my Masi house, and then this route I only me and go decide and go. Then I reach in district in Maharashtra district, and then in my mind thinking कि I visit in this fire station in Maharashtra because I am fire engineer, and just thinking what is this scenario situation. People work in fire safety and building, how many water tender available, how many crew member available, fire engineer, fire officer, and safety of fireman, what is the scenario in the available in all the equipment, this equipment available or not scenario, everything just in curiosity in my mind. Then decide search in first, I don't know. Then I search in Google in Google map. Okay. In nearby fire station in Nag no, in Maharashtra district. Then I saw कि this is fire station. Then I decide कि I go. Then I just I throw in ask me one uncle कि sir uncle nearby how many distance in nearby fire station, and that type say they say कि I know you sit. Then I drop in fire station. Yes, okay. Then I sit and then go. Then through in the auto and go. And this in proper city in for around 3 to around no, around 2.5 kilometer. Then go decide कि is just first see look first in my mind think कि it's a very big fire station and all the equipment available, everything just that type of image thinking. But just see it's just very small fire station. It's very fire station, only 2 floor and very small fire station. Then come and just in fireman say कि what how why you are hearing and why you are say see all that see. Just say कि I not see something in I not see anyone. Then in I and a hand in my eye card. Just give me my eye card. You identify you how is me and what is my qualification, everything. Just say कि it's a National Fire Service College. You are studying BTech in fire engineering. You say कि okay. Then people give me respect and talk something. But that time I give one mistake because I meet in senior fire officer, in the senior fire officer and the CFO, everything I meet. But in CFO also be in the just walking, just a nearby walk. But I not talk in the CFO and any person. I don't that is my weakness. If you visit any type of that type of you just first of all you meet in that type of, because it's a very simple and normal formula. Then people talk me something, and then say कि you are studying in BTech. If you are completing BTech, then you work as a CFO and fire officer and a very higher level of degree. Just say कि I know कि I work that type of. Then I visit in the holy fire station. Just see कि only two water tender, one small lift, and one is a car and one is a bike, and just storage water. Just see कि what type of storage in water in this fire station, and mention is a fire station number and phone number also, and discuss कि how many fire station is in Maharashtra. Just कि only one fire station, other is so fire station and Neutanama, Sonauli, and I say कि I live in the Anandnagar city. Anandnagar city not have any so fire station. जैसे कि नो इससे इस फायर डिपार्टमेंट अंडर ऑफ a policeman and policeman nearby in your like thana in your thana have one also have sub fire station 2 and 3 through in the tender just ki is okay, no problem. Then that type of ask, then decide go, then visit and go. Just I not learn something anything is in this. But I also mention, if I just thinking I mention I visit in a UP fire service, just like what you see in a UP fire service and what is it, if you work as a CFO, what changes you in your district. First of all, if I mention कि I visit in Maharajganj city district, just like what changes you apply in mention is this is the first of all it's many changes for this, because it's okay. It's 5 minutes over because this section is only 5 minutes. Okay, bye.